verse 18, he goes on here, "For I will not dare to speak of any of those things which Christ has not wrought by me or not granted for faith." This is where we stand today, that we have to deny those things which God has not sanctified for faith. And it's difficult for those that are still under Satan's spell and walking in the shadow of that ignorance. So he goes on here, "For I dare not to speak of any of those things which Christ has not wrought by me to make the Gentiles obedient." Now, see, highlight the word Gentiles obedient, and you can draw a line from Gentiles obedient to the word, "He shall rise to reign over the Gentiles." That's to oversee, not to rule as a tyrant, but rather to issue knowledge for growth. God rules. God knows them that are his, as Paul brings out. The Lord knoweth them that are his. So the Gentiles, to be obedient, will be by the knowledge which they received. And this is manifested for the purpose of bonding to God by this root. The overseeing of this knowledge is through the stewardship, which those of the nations will hear and will believe, because of the grace that is given to me of God. So highlight the word grace there, and then highlight the word me. Because when we're talking about grace, we're talking about that substance which was from the very beginning. Because Jesus is the oath of all creation.